Right now, COVID-19 surging in both Indiana and Ohio. Indiana officials today painting a pretty bleak picture about hospitalizations up nearly 700% since June. Meanwhile, in Ohio, settling for records for both hospitalizations and daily reported cases as Governor DeWine deploys the National Guard to help out. Fox 55's Kelsey Maddox joins us tonight live in the studio to tell us more about what both governors in those states plan to do about this latest wave. Kelsey.
Thanks, Chris. Both governors are worried about the upward trend in cases, and it doesn't look like it will go down anytime soon. Governor Holcomb already extended Indiana's public health emergency orders, and with 45% of Hoosiers still unvaccinated, both Holcomb and Governor DeWine in Ohio encourage everyone in their states who has not been vaccinated against COVID-19 to do so as soon as possible. COVID-19 cases are surging in both Indiana and Ohio, and both states' governors and health officials are worried about what will come in the new year. Hospitals in both states are at capacity, and frontline workers are being pushed beyond their limits. Ohio nurse Jennifer Hollis told Governor Mike DeWine hospitals are nearing a breaking point.
It is beyond difficult. Our beds are full. There's nowhere else to go, and we are just as short-staffed as everybody else is seeing as well.
DeWine's especially concerned about students returning to school next week.
Schools need to require masks. I know people don't want to do that, but that is the safest thing, at least for a few weeks while we are at this great surge.
Indiana Governor Eric Holcomb says he's talking to school nurses tomorrow about possibly creating new guidelines before students return.
We have more work to do.
Dr. Christina Bach says hospital workers are depleted in Indiana, too, with COVID hospitalizations up 700% since June. She says Delta is still the dominant strain, but Omicron is quickly catching up.
Omicron is very easily transmitted and infects and multiplies 70 times faster in the major airways of the lungs of an infected individual.
With the state's positivity rate around 14%, Bach says the surge is going to get worse before it gets better.
Based on data from other countries who are further along in their Omicron surge, we expect to see a very steep rise in cases over the next several weeks.
And with this likely surge approaching quickly, it's important to get tested. Bach says there's a shortage of rapid tests right now, so most tests will be PCR, which take about a day or more to get results. You can schedule an appointment at a testing site in your area. We have a link for that on this story on our website, WFFT.com. Reporting live in the studio, I'm Kelsey Maddox, Fox 55 News.